Do you want to speak English better, but studying alone feels boring? What if studying English felt like spending time with a friend? Today, Tom and Lina study English together. They practice speaking, listening, vocabulary, and real everyday English. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. It can be fun, friendly, and simple. Let's start studying together and speak better English step by step.
Hi, Tom. Welcome. Please come in.
Thank you, Lina. I'm happy to study with you today.
I'm happy too. I want to improve my English, and you are a good teacher.
Oh, no. I just try my best.
Good teachers always say that. Please sit down. I made tea.
Wow, thank you. This feels like real school, but with better drinks.
So, what do you want to practice today?
Speaking, listening, vocabulary, maybe grammar, everything.
Slow down, Lina. Let's start with speaking. One step at a time.
Okay, English mountain is high. I need to climb slowly.
And I am your hiking guide. Let's start with simple daily routine verbs. Repeat after me. Wake up, get up, brush teeth, get dressed, have breakfast, go to school.
Wake up, get up, brush teeth, get dressed, have breakfast, go to school.
Perfect pronunciation.
Really? My R sound is usually shy and hides.
Today it came out to study. Now, can you make a sentence with wake up?
Okay, I wake up at 6:30 every day.
Great. Now, brush teeth.
I brush teeth at bathroom.
Very close. We say, I brush my teeth in the bathroom.
Ah, yes. I always forget the small words.
Don't worry. Small words are like seasoning in food. Small but important.
Yes. Without seasoning, English tastes strange.
Okay, tell me your morning routine.
I wake up, I get up, I brush my teeth, I get dressed.
One small change. I get dressed.
Dressed. Why dressed? Why so many extra letters?
Because English likes to be difficult.
I agree completely. Tom, would you like a snack?
Oh, sure. What do you have?
Biscuits, banana, chocolate, or Jack's emergency candy stash?
I don't want to be attacked by Jack later.
Yes. Good choice. Banana,
Banana is perfect.
studying makes the brain hungry.
And chocolate makes the brain happy.
Let's try a short listening test. I will say a sentence. You listen and repeat.
Okay, I am ready.
I wake up at 6 every morning.
I wake up at 6 every morning.
Good.
Now, a longer sentence. I get dressed quickly because I don't want to be late.
I get dressed.
Get dressed.
Right. I get dressed quickly because I don't want to be late.
Perfect. See? You remembered.
No, my mouth remembered before my brain.
Lina, you are improving.
Do you really think so?
Yes. Compared today to last month.
Last month, I spoke English like a baby duck.
Today, you speak like a grown duck.
Quack, quack. Thank you.
Okay, let's practice grammar for a moment. Present simple. We use it for routines. Example, I walk to school. You walk to school. He, she walks to school.
Ah, yes, the S problem.
Yes, English says he, she, it. S is important.
But why?
Because English likes to see us suffer. Okay, your turn. Make sentences.
He eats breakfast.
Perfect.
She
Walks.
walks to school.
Great.
English is not difficult when you explain it nicely.
And you are not afraid to try. That is the real secret.
Lina, here are 4 simple tips. 1. Listen to English every day. 2. Speak a little every day. 3. Learn words inside sentences. 4. Review instead of memorize.
Simple, friendly, and possible.
Exactly. English grows slowly, like a plant.
Yes. And my plants needs water. Now I'm growing.
Lina, say this with me. I can learn English.
I can learn English.
I am getting better.
I am getting better.
I don't need to be perfect.
I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep trying.
Exactly.
Tom, thank you for teaching me today. You deserve more chocolate.
Thank you. Teaching Lina is sweet and delicious.
See you next time?
Of course. English Mountain is high. We climb again tomorrow.
I will bring snacks.
Exactly.
Thank you everyone for studying with us today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, subscribe, and practice a little every day. You can do it. See you in the next video.